We want you to walk away with something that you can think about, whether it's before you talk in front of people or you go in your closet every morning and you're like, what the hell am I gonna wear? We just want to make life a little easier and more fun.
And we are going to do a lot about our presence, whether it's the canvas that we use through the voice, the canvas that we're using through our body language, the canvas that we're putting clothes on, like all of that is going to come through tonight.
I'm going to be speaking about presenting, and then Amy's going to teach us how to dress the part. And we're just so grateful that you're here and we can all help each other.
Tonight, we want it to be about you. 2/3 of what's on the rack at Macy's is going to be awful on your figure. There is nothing wrong with you. There is a problem with the clothes you are forcing on your shape. Let go of the clothes that don't work for you. By the end of this, you're gonna know who those are. They're hanging in your closet. You usually wear them out of pity. Right?
There's so much that's on us. And when you start in TV, there's no dress rehearsal. The thing is you don't really have to work harder to become the better version of yourself. You just have to start thinking like the woman that you want to become. This really is your life, and it's something you can become. If you really want to do something and go for something, you can do this. I know you can do this. It's inside of you.